Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making a video for our first time home buyers. This is going to be the ultimate home buyer's guide. In this guide, we're going to go over everything you need to purchase a home from start to finish. So the first step in the home buying process, I would say, is choosing the right real estate agent for you. Now, I'm going to be a bit biased when it comes to this as I'm a real estate agent myself, but I can give you some traits or qualities that you should be looking for in the real estate agent you work with. They should be respectful, communicative, insightful, knowledgeable, show attention to detail, show empathy. If you can find a real estate agent who has traits like these, it's going to make the home buying process go 10 times smoother. Once you find the real estate agent that's going to represent you in your transaction, the next step is to find out your budget. Now, finding out your budget simply means getting pre-approved. If you don't know what getting pre-approved means, I'd like to say it's a golden ticket given to you by a mortgage lender that says you can buy a house to a certain limit. Now, the way you get this is simply meeting with a mortgage lender and you'll give them your financial info. That's going to include your credit score, your income, your debt, and they'll check and review all of that and they'll give you a pre-approval letter. This pre-approval letter will have exactly what you qualify for in terms of the price of the home. And when you show this to sellers, you actually seem more reputable than people who don't have pre-approval letters because it proves you can actually afford the home you're putting an offer in for. Now, the pre-approval letter won't just have the maximum price of a home you can afford. It will also have the type of mortgage you qualify for. Now, there's different types of mortgage options like conventional, FHA, USDA, but your pre-approval letter will include the mortgage option that you qualify for. So, for example, your pre-approval letter could say, I qualify for a $190,000 house with conventional mortgage. Now, once you receive your pre-approval letter, you'll be ready to move on to the next step in the home buying process, which is definitely the most commonly known, which is actually finding the house. Now, we've all surfed Zillow before, looking at listings, just window shopping. When you're actually looking for a house to buy, you and your real estate agent will create a list of properties you're interested in, and you'll go see them, either in person or through a virtual tour. Now, this is the step you're going to spend the most time on, as it's the most crucial. You're going to want to look at neighborhoods, the school district, the actual quality of the house, the amount of beds, the amount of baths, and how it's going to suit your lifestyle. And once you have the house that you're ready to pursue and ready to make an offer on, you'll go on to the next step. Once you're ready to make an offer, your offer is going to consist of 5 things: price, terms, inclusions, possessions, and contingencies. Starting off with price, this is the most straightforward. It's just what you're willing to pay for the home. Then there's terms. This is going to be how much you're putting down, your mortgage option, your earnest money deposit, etc. Then you have your inclusions. This is what you're going to keep in the house, and that could be appliances, TVs, maybe a chandelier that you want to keep. Then there's possession, and that's the exact date at which the ownership transfers. Contingencies can include financing, inspections, appraisals, etc. Once a closing disclosure is provided, you'll do a final walkthrough of the property to make sure it's in the same condition as it was after it got inspected. And if that's the case, you'll sign the final documents and you'll receive the keys to your brand new house. I hope you enjoyed this home buying guide. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more real estate related content.